welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaikazi Mukwena and this is my channel. So today I'm in Dodo and Yamba with my husband and with my son. It's Heritage Day. We are going out. Guys. So it's Heritage Day. We are going out. We had planned to go to Joburg Zoo Lake. No, to Joburg Zoo. But again, and I'm thinking, yo, us is about late. We're probably not gonna make it. If we don't make it there, we'll probably go to Joburg Zoo Lake. And if we don't make it to Joburg Zoo Lake, and yes, but yeah, we are going out. We are going somewhere. We are spending the day as a family. If I see up Vilakazi Street, but I'm thinking because it's Heritage Day and abantu bayayithandalanda already, but imagine ke namhlanje. So no, that's not gonna work. So at the moment we are parked according to Yolanda somewhere, and then we are heading off to Joburg Zoo. And then if we don't make it to Joburg Zoo, say Zoo Lake. But stay tuned. If you are a returning subscriber, I'd like to express my gratitude. If you are new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe at the bottom of the bottom. So the family is growing. You guys, I am so excited about the girl. Guys, I'm so grateful for your guys' support. You guys are so supportive. I'm grateful for the comments, I'm grateful for the subscriptions, I'm grateful for the likes, and for those who do share my content. So yeah, I did say I'm with my husband. Didn't want to say, guys. Yeah, that's Mr. S.T. Mukwena. And then I'm with my son. Yeah. So in the spirit of Heritage Day, I am wearing my Xhosa Duke and my husband is wearing his shirt and ndondon and that's his bracelet. And then are you sure it's Spanish? And then my son is wearing his smile. Alright guys, stay tuned and enjoy this vlog. We love you guys so much. Bye. Guys, we just got here. The queue. See, up. It is. Yeah. No, I don't think we're going in. No, it's not gonna work. Two. No, it is not gonna work. It is definitely not gonna work. Sit in this name. Sing again. We can't, ne? It's too long. Popo! Hey, what's up? What's up, Popo? Guys, this is my disappointed face. Yeah, it is myself. Like I'm in pain. Guys, xa kugcweleka ngaphandle kunjani ngaphakathi? Kunjani ngaphakathi xa kugcweleka ngaphandle? I'm so exhausted. So we drove to Zoo Lake, and then it was full there as well. And you must remember with Zoo Lake, it's like a garden, or it's grass. So you need to, there's no activity really to do. So even as izinto zokuhlala phansi sibe ne picnic setting. and we are not fully prepared for that. So guys, I don't even know where we're going now. Sneh is just driving. We'll see where we go. Chances are we could spend Heritage Day at home, which sucks. So 1,000 years later, we decided to come to Montecasino. So, like I told you guys, we decided to come to Montecasino, and we are walking towards, I don't know if you know Bazzie, but the security guard. The security guard, then she was like, "Ma, we can. There's like animals, snakes and dondons." Like, yeah, I want to do that. She's like, "Yeah, walk down, straight down, but it's quite full." So we're going there, and we're gonna take a few pictures here. Makes me within. Sneh has his shirt on. He's well within. Maybe at least. But it must jump it. Because I almost thought we were not going to do anything, and like being devastated alone, I was almost devastated. Imagine not doing anything. So we are now at the bird. It's like a bird sanctuary. Inspired to conserve, I guess. But you can't hit bird and don't guys. Don't do your but not to apparently there's so many things to do. I've got this right here to feed ducks. So I think that's where I want to start, because I want to feed ducks. There's a big ducks. Yeah.
Yeah, go for this.
Hey, here's one. Oh, here's another one. I didn't even know about Kuko. Okay, obviously it's evident, but then I have about Kuko. Guys, siyangena ngoku siyojonga ezinyoka. Siyojonga ezinyoka andibili. But onsisni darni. Okay. Faka itata. Liphi? Andiyazi. Xa sofika kwinyoka.
I saw exactly.
Andiyazi. I do not know. No, I love snakes, but I wouldn't like to see them in
Andingathi bekwe ngumntu le.
Baba, say hello, friend. Hi, friend. Yo. Hey. Masambeni, guys. Masambeni, someone is in your. Okay, by the way, guys, this was the Marse. Yeah, python. And as a python. Python. Yeah, Southern African python. Oh, python. Hey, guys. Okay, it's hiding somewhere. Osne has a mandate. If he's not saying snakes, he's moving. Whether they are present or not. Oh, there's one. Oh, that one is actually sleeping. I remember when I say a hard yes. Safika late. Zilele means. Guys, anaconda. Where is it? Yeah, an answer. Green anaconda. Here it is. Oh, really?
That's why I'm feeling anaconda is a manzino.
Oh, no. I've never paid attention. Guys, it's so big. Snail loves monkeys, guys. This is not even a monkey. I don't know what it is, but he's so excited. Okay, I'm gonna switch back so that you guys can see properly. You know, guys, okay, as well as we at his monkey. I don't know fully if it's monkeys or not, but I saw that. Okay, no, the red-handed tamperine. But is not. Hi. They jump on you, eh?
I think.
Okay.
They wouldn't be here if ever they would.
But do you think they'd be out here if they jumped on us?
I think like in a friendly way, like how monkeys would do.
Oh.
No. There's no way they would have been in a cage like this.
Yeah.
But I'm putting a friendly.
But this one, make sure it doesn't.
Which one? Ah, wow. Wow.
Yeah, what about you?
Guys, this is so beautiful. Accelerate. Baby, can I please have pictures here? Okay, the time is now 10 to 5 and we are still within the premises. But we are planning to leave now because Kuvalong 5 upper guys, we really did enjoy our time here and I feel like it was the best substitute for Joburg Zoo. Yeah, so I'll go again. We'll go again to Joburg Zoo. So Baby, you know, Snail really wants to leave. But like this was definitely a good substitute. So I don't know what we'll be doing now. We'll probably be heading home, or we'll be going into Montecasino. If we do go into Montecasino, I will continue with the vlog. Pambili. You are tempted to linganisa, ne? So yes, we are at Montecasino. We are now at Montecasino and we're just gonna go for ice cream. I don't feel like ice cream though, no? So I think what Snare feels like ice cream. We're just gonna go for ice cream for Snare and then we're gonna go back home. So I'm gonna okay guys, we decided to come here.
Temba is my name. Kaya. The Kaya info. You want contact number?
So we decided to come here and then we're just gonna have like dessert and then we're gonna go home. So yeah guys, last few moments with the fam and then on I'm tired. I want to go home. Yeah. I'm hello.
Somebody is happy. Yeah! Yeah! You are cute.
Thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for getting this far. I'm so grateful for the subscriptions, for the comments, for the likes, and for the shares. The channel is growing, like I did say. Thank you. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Are you sleepy now? You want to go sleep now?